Hey there! Are you on the hunt for ways to shield those precious eyes of yours from the harsh glare of the digital world? Ready to give them the TLC they truly deserve? Well, you've landed on the right video. In our fast-paced lives, glued to screens and battling pollution, our eyes often take a beating. But did you know that nature holds some incredible secrets to help care for our eye health? Today, we're diving deep into the world of herbs. Yes, you heard it right, 9 remarkable herbs that aren't just old tales, but are backed by science to protect and even repair your vision. Curious about which herbs can become your eye's best buddies? Want to weave them into your daily routine and witness the difference for yourself? Ready to give your eyes the natural boost they've been craving? Well, let's not waste any more time, let's dive in. Number 1, we've got marigold, Tagetes erecta. This beauty isn't just a treat for the eyes with its vibrant orange and yellow flowers. It's also a superhero for eye health. Marigold is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that are absolute game changers for maintaining eye health. These mighty compounds are concentrated in the macula, a tiny spot on the retina responsible for our central vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin act like natural antioxidants, working hard to filter out harmful blue light rays, kind of like putting on a pair of natural sunglasses. This filtering action is crucial for protecting our eyes from oxidative stress caused by light exposure, which can lead to age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. But wait, there's more! Marigold's benefits for eye health go beyond just being an antioxidant powerhouse. Studies have shown that lutein and zeaxanthin can actually enhance visual performance in folks dealing with AMD and cataracts, improving contrast sensitivity and reducing glare. Plus, they might even help improve overall visual acuity and support healthy eye function over time. Adding marigold to your diet can be a fantastic way to boost your intake of lutein and zeaxanthin. But for those who might not get enough from their meals alone, supplements derived from marigold extract can offer a concentrated dose of these essential carotenoids. And in today's digital age, where screens are a constant presence in our lives, the protective role of lutein and zeaxanthin against blue light exposure is more relevant than ever. Prolonged screen time can lead to digital eye strain and increase the risk of macular damage over time. But by filtering out harmful blue light, these carotenoids help safeguard our eye health. Next up, number 2, we've got turmeric, that golden spice renowned for its vibrant color and beloved in culinary traditions around the globe, especially in South Asia. But did you know it's also a powerhouse for eye health? The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, packs a punch with its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic addition to any eye protective regimen. Curcumin's antioxidant magic is crucial for shielding the eyes from oxidative stress, a major player in the development of various eye conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. By neutralizing free radicals, curcumin helps maintain the structure and function of your eye tissues while also calming down inflammation, offering a double layer of protection for your precious peepers. But here's the cool part: research isn't just theorizing about turmeric's benefits for eye health. Studies are uncovering the ways curcumin works wonders for our eyes, from potentially reducing cataract formation to easing dry eye symptoms and even protecting against retinal degeneration. Turmeric is proving to be a real eye saver. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is a breeze. Whether it's sprinkling the spice into your meals, sipping on turmeric-infused teas, or taking curcumin supplements for a concentrated dose of its eye protective goodness. So, what are you waiting for? Give your eyes the love they deserve with a dash of turmeric magic. However, it's crucial to chat with a healthcare professional before diving into any new supplement routine, especially if you have existing health issues or are taking medications, to avoid any potential complications. Number 3, fennel seeds. These little seeds pack a big nutritional punch, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants crucial for eye health. Vitamin C and beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A found in fennel seeds, are especially important. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the health of your eyes, supporting the function of the retina, which is crucial for low light and color vision. Together with the potent antioxidants in fennel, they work to neutralize harmful free radicals, offering protection against oxidative stress that can harm eye tissues. Moreover, fennel seeds are bursting with flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols, all renowned for their antioxidant properties. This is crucial for preventing cellular damage by scavenging free radicals, especially in the context of eye health. Oxidative stress is a known factor in the development of age-related macular degeneration and other vision-related issues. So, incorporating antioxidant-rich herbs like fennel into your diet could be a promising strategy for natural eye care. Number 4 is ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, also known as Indian ginseng or winter cherry. This herb, celebrated in Ayurvedic medicine for its adaptogenic qualities that help the body manage stress, holds immense promise for eye health. Thanks to its rich composition of withanolides, a group of naturally occurring steroids with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, ashwagandha is a true friend to our eyes. Since our eyes are an extension of our central nervous system, they're particularly sensitive to stress and oxidative damage, which can compromise our vision over time. But ashwagandha swoops in to the rescue, helping to protect our peepers and keep them healthy and happy. Ashwagandha's remarkable ability to combat oxidative stress isn't just beneficial for your body, it extends to your eyes too. By shielding the delicate cells of the retina and other eye tissues from the harmful effects of free radicals, ashwagandha plays a vital role in preventing age-related degenerative diseases like macular degeneration and cataracts, which are major causes of vision problems and blindness in older adults. But that's not all. Ashwagandha's anti-inflammatory properties are a boon for reducing inflammation linked to various eye conditions, such as uveitis and dry eye syndrome. By dialing down the body's inflammatory response, ashwagandha can ease discomfort and promote better eye health overall. Research into ashwagandha's effects on eye health is ongoing, with studies hinting at its potential to enhance vision and eye function. For example, its neuroprotective effects may help maintain the health of optic nerve cells, providing an extra layer of defense against conditions like glaucoma, which can cause damage due to increased pressure in the eye. Number 5. Dandelion. Often overlooked, but boasting remarkable benefits for eye health, is the dandelion. Far from just a common weed, dandelion is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals essential for maintaining optimal eye function. It's an excellent source of vitamin A, a vital nutrient crucial for good vision, especially in low-light conditions, and essential for color differentiation. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to severe issues such as night blindness and contribute to the development of other vision impairments. But the benefits of dandelion don't stop there. This remarkable herb also provides substantial amounts of vitamin C and E, integral components of the body's antioxidant defense system, safeguarding ocular tissues against the detrimental effects of oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can lead to various eye diseases, highlighting the importance of these antioxidants in eye care. Number 6. Bilberry. When exploring natural supplements that support eye health, bilberry stands out for its remarkable properties. The secret behind bilberry's health benefits lies in its rich content of anthocyanins, the pigments that give the berry its deep blue color. These anthocyanins are more than just pigments. They are potent antioxidants with the ability to counteract free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that, if left unchecked, can cause significant harm, including to the delicate structures of our eyes. The significance of antioxidants like those found in bilberry cannot be overstated, especially when it comes to eye health. Our eyes are constantly exposed to light and environmental stressors, making them particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress. Number 7. Saffron, Crocus sativus. This precious spice, often dubbed red gold for its vibrant color and high value, is not just a culinary treasure. Saffron offers a range of health benefits, including potential advantages for eye health. Saffron contains compounds such as crocin and safranal, which contribute to its therapeutic properties. Research suggests that saffron may improve visual function in individuals with AMD, potentially slowing the progression of the disease. Additionally, saffron's anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate symptoms of dry eye syndrome and other inflammatory eye conditions. Number 8. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, often simply referred to as ginkgo, is one of the oldest living tree species with a rich history of use in traditional medicine. This ancient herb is celebrated not only for its longevity, but also for its potent antioxidant properties, courtesy of the flavonoids and terpenoids it contains. These compounds are instrumental in combating oxidative stress, a relentless adversary in the realm of eye health. The eye is an organ of exquisite complexity and delicate balance, constantly exposed to light and environmental aggressors that can generate free radicals. These unstable molecules are at the heart of oxidative stress, a process that can accelerate the aging of ocular tissues and pave the way for various eye conditions, including cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Ginkgo biloba steps into this battlefield as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals and offering a shield of protection for the eyes. But the benefits of ginkgo biloba extend beyond its antioxidant prowess. This remarkable herb is also known for its ability to improve blood circulation, including microcirculation in the eye. Enhanced blood flow means that nutrients and oxygen are more efficiently delivered to the eye tissues, supporting their health and function. This aspect of ginkgo biloba's action is particularly beneficial for those seeking to maintain optimal vision and eye health over time. Moreover, ginkgo biloba has been linked to improvements in visual field damage in some individuals with glaucoma, a condition characterized by increased pressure within the eye that can lead to optic nerve damage and vision loss. By improving blood flow to the optic nerve and protecting against oxidative damage, ginkgo biloba offers a beacon of hope for preserving vision in those affected by this condition. Incorporating ginkgo biloba into one's diet or supplement regimen can be a strategic move in the comprehensive approach to eye health, whether through capsules, tablets, or teas. This ancient herb brings with it the promise of enhanced blood circulation, potent antioxidant protection, and a legacy of traditional use that spans millennia. As with any supplement, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing ginkgo biloba into your routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. This ensures that it complements your health regimen without any adverse interactions. Number 9. Spirulina, Arthrospira platensis. Spirulina is a nutrient-rich blue-green algae that offers significant benefits for eye health. It contains high levels of zeaxanthin, a crucial carotenoid that protects the eyes by filtering harmful light and combating oxidative stress. Additionally, spirulina is packed with essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, including vitamin A, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to maintaining optimal vision. Incorporating spirulina into your diet through supplements or as a food additive can be an easy and effective way to support eye health.